We have found many partners for our green agenda and investors, as well as other development partners, to complement our efforts to mainstream and institutionalize green investment. Our sense of urgency in this matter is informed by reports from the United Nations Environmental Programme, UNEP, that to fulfill the SDG by 2030 and the net zero aspirations by 2050, the world must invest approximately US $6.9 trillion annually in the necessary, sustainable, resilient infrastructure. The combined population of Comesa member states at 580 million, with a GDP of US $768 billion, is a tremendous opportunity. The potential for intra-Comesa trade is simply enormous, and the demand for value-added products is bound to keep growing well into the future. Value-adding offers higher returns, incentivizes industrialization, enhances productivity, deepens technological advancement, increases high-quality jobs, bolsters wealth creation, and promotes competitiveness. There is a very strong case for us in Comesa to shift away from primary production to industrial manufacturing across all sectors. I listened to you, Mr. President, and you spoke to this subject. We cannot continue as a continent to be a continent that exports primary products. Our contribution as a continent to international trade is only 3%, in a case where we contribute close to 18% of the world population at the moment. Our intra-Africa trade is only at 17%, while others, whether it is in Europe, it is at 70%. In Asia, it is at 60%. In other areas, it's at 40%. In Africa, it's only at 17%. It speaks to the huge opportunity that we have for intra-Africa trade, and that is why I agree with you that we should eliminate the borders that act as barriers for trade, for movement of people, for movement of goods, and for movement of services.